Cutting the Energetic Cords Meditation. Welcome to this Cutting the Energetic Cords meditation. In this meditation, we will release the energetic cords that no longer serve us, freeing ourselves from attachments, parasitic entities, and dark spirits that drain our energy. We will call upon the protective energy of Archangel Michael, who will assist us with his golden sword radiating divine white light to cut these cords, creating space for healing, peace, and protection. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated or standing position, making sure your spine is straight and your body relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale, allowing yourself to settle into a state of calm. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself becoming more grounded and present in this moment. Now, visualize yourself surrounded by a soft, radiant light. This light is your own energy, your aura, holding and protecting you. Feel its warmth and calm as you settle deeper into relaxation. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now take a moment to call upon the holy light, the spirit of the source, the divine power that protects and guides you. Invite Archangel Michael to join you in this sacred space. Feel his presence arriving, strong and protective, surrounding you with his golden light. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, welcoming his energy. Archangel Michael is here with you, holding his magnificent golden sword that radiates divine white light. This sword has the power to cut any energetic cords that no longer serve you, releasing you from the attachments that drain your energy. It is also a tool to sever cords from parasitic entities or dark spirits that may be clinging to your energy. Take a moment to feel his protective and loving energy, knowing that he is here to support you on this journey. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now, gently begin to scan your body and energy field. Notice if you feel any heaviness, tension, or lingering energy that doesn't belong to you. These are the energetic cords connecting you to people, situations, parasitic entities, or dark spirits that are draining your energy. Without judgment, simply notice where these cords are attached to your body. You might visualize a cord connected to your heart, your solar plexus, or other parts of your body. Perhaps you feel a cord connected to a person who brings negativity into your life, a situation that drains you, or even dark, parasitic energies that are clinging to you. Allow these cords to reveal themselves naturally. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now, with Archangel Michael by your side, holding his golden sword that radiates divine white light, you are ready to release these cords. Visualize the first cord that you want to release. This cord may be attached to a person, an unhealthy relationship, a parasitic entity, or a dark spirit. See it clearly, and know that by cutting this cord, you are freeing yourself for your highest good. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With love and compassion, ask Archangel Michael to cut this cord with his golden sword of divine white light. See the radiant sword gently and powerfully cutting through the cord from both sides. Feel the cord release from your body, falling away and dissolving into the light. As this cord is cut, you are freed from its burden, allowing your energy to flow freely once again. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling lighter and more at peace. Now, slowly bring your focus to the next cord. Feel where it is attached, and when you're ready, ask Archangel Michael to cut it with his sword of golden light. Whether this cord is connected to a negative person, situation, parasitic entity, or dark spirit, feel Archangel Michael's sword cutting it away completely, releasing you from its hold. As he cuts through the cord, feel it releasing from your energy field, dissolving into the light, and disappearing from your life. You are letting go with love, trust, and the knowing that this release is for your healing, protection, and growth. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Continue this process for any remaining cords. With each cord that Archangel Michael cuts, feel yourself becoming lighter, more empowered, and free from the energies that once drained you. You are reclaiming your power, free from any parasitic entities or dark spirits. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now that the cords have been cut, visualize a soothing, golden white light surrounding your body. This light comes from Archangel Michael's presence, filled with divine healing and love. It flows into the areas where the cords were attached, gently sealing and healing these spaces, restoring your energy field to wholeness. Feel this light wrapping around you, offering you protection and peace. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As the healing light works through your body, feel a deep sense of renewal and calm. You are now free from the attachments, parasitic entities, and dark spirits that no longer serve you, fully immersed in your own energy. This light continues to protect you, allowing only love and positive energy to flow in and out of your space. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to feel the peace and lightness within you. You are free, unburdened, and protected, standing in your own divine energy. The cords and entities that once drained you are gone, replaced by love, healing, and empowerment. Thank Archangel Michael for his assistance and protection during this meditation. Feel gratitude for the release and healing you've experienced today. Know that you can call upon this process whenever you need to cut cords, clear parasitic entities or dark spirits, and restore your energy. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling complete and at peace. When you are ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your toes and fingers. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of freedom, healing, and protection with you throughout your day. With love and gratitude, Chenzo Holistic Coaching.